Feeling good nowadays. It's affecting me here. Also, in the sun, I am walking and all coming. And you fellows are not knowing anything. You devil, you do not know anything. What are the things? And today, I'm feeling very tired and no energy, and I am feeling so bad. Actually, that's what this is what our connected. This is gonna laugh. And so many things. Actually, see, did you understand this? How far a squid is Tarakato? Local street. See, but you can medically prostitute. That's see, they will be of good quality. Much dirty than that. That is what advertising that separate photos when you people the way she's doing it, talking to the also she wanted to meet him. Priyanka ji in the airport. This is what she's trying to he was desperately waiting for it. The same way during the Bhajora also that's the purpose of she came and honking fishing and when in Delhi there near somewhere only in that you could have kissed her. So immediately the next what she had is immediately went to meet Sonia ji and pick up water and public. So this is what her how the way she is trapping everything and then that photos and she posted the reels and these are the things. See, there is a truth in this and this eagerness, desperateness, everything. Actually, see, in your messages you should rewind back and check how you are putting these fellows are screwing up you and I was like desperately running behind you to trap you to grab it and then for publicity and then to so many things. Actually, these all are she and the high class understood fraud shit. At least even after this much, she's not even feeling even a single bit of shame. And that's not her skin like this. These are all leaders. Actually, leaders now they got frustrated because since I posted the photos such scandal. So that's why overcoming that. These all fellows nicely planned and actually they thought that actually see these all fellows they had nothing. See, in front of my intelligence, my brain, these fellows in Indian, nobody is like that. Don't worry. See, you should actually we never spoken person and we don't know. See, you never interacted to me, and that's the reason you are not knowing about me and my potentials or anything. That's the reason. That's what you are getting into this fellow's trap and you are believing that. That's the thing. That's the problem. You are getting afraid. See, I told you clearly. If I am stepping into, I have the confidence that I do have. I can make the UN Secretary General will stand in front of me. So that's the capability. See, just think that. See, if I am a mental case and if I am nothing, why these fellows has to be all the great world leading professor of IIT Bombay. And the world leading criminal commission board. Why do you have to be this much afraid yet? Let's just use common sense. Actually, I don't like to convince. Actually, in my life, for first time I am actually spoiling my personality and dignity. This all I am doing for the nation because I know the dangerous situation. This kind of cunning frauds are coming to the powerful things and what are the nonsense nuisance will create. The entire nation will get spoiled. That's the reason these leaders and they don't have any common sense and these trap and spoil the people anyhow. That's the thing. He will not do anything. What benefit he will get? That's the way. It's a crack. And these all fellows not only in this now. Narayana this that Abhishek Slobhi also there. That I know that they are revenge because they all want to hide their thing because they want that I should not be both. Shiva Shakti should be separated. That's the only aim. For that they will do anything. They will do any fraud, any kacharatanam. That's the thing. Also, Amisha is so much afraid that the power because he is knowing that also through this result also they are everybody understood that they cannot get into power. That's the reason they are this much afraid because now they are not there. You fellows will not be able to understand the traps and this. So everybody nicely will pull and you are gone. That's finished. That's it. So see, there is a limit for me for everything. See, just look at the hair. This is now just now I kept my hair, everything is falling, everything, and I am feeling very weak also. Not only me, my mother also not feeling. She is also because these fellows are screwing up her color. Actually, I think might be these fellows have kept chemicals or something with her. She is also in the stage of pneumonia, something like that and all. This is the way these fellows attacks and all. Okay. So you need to understand also my brother isn't and my sister and the kids they are also not feeling well and everything these fellows are devastating everything and you have some common sense because you are the only one reason. There is nobody want to do anything. I told that I can save you from any case or anything and you go how many cases I tell you don't you have common sense and you are not standing stubborn as a man. You will go with any offer anything and any thousands of fellows opinions and this is not the quality of a man that you need to understand it. It's like some dirty actually it's a shame for me actually. See, now on top of that you are trying to get me all you are so I'm desperate to get ready also for the most Gandhi from the tag that's I said she already obviously video Rahul Gandhi she's having a big fear stunt team and she is only creating these all spreading everywhere. She's a crack culture of fraud. For what purpose such a culture? It's a field on the spot culture. He will be actually it's something culture of fraud. And if you are getting anyhow at you want to what I will kill you, stupid fella, spoiling the nation and tell. Culture. Then what? These all these actually these fellows see the KCV 7 see I told this is thing the systematic KCV is a good person human being. That's why he is interacting with all the people's feelings and their sufferings everything. He will understand everything. But that's the thing. This lobby want to finish him. That's the reason. And also now came early and failed and also his place didn't work out right. I spoiled. That's the reason they all frustrated and in their lobbies. But then when I see for you only for saving you for making you understanding only I am putting their photos everything and Madhunji everybody is getting angry because see only thing for saving you I am putting myself into troubles and see these all fellows are attacking but you on the spot spoil after spoiling you will go and grab the offers from the justice the privilege and again spoil unless Priyanka have common sense and see now nobody will be just understand how much challenge how much setup these what is the use. So there is nothing going to work only the straightforward way will work. And I am telling now, see I am challenging Professor Bhutto was telling that my public speaking everything I am challenging Modi, Amit Shah or all great successful public speakers come and I am ready for a challenge. Do that. See Professor Bhutto you only always right. Also these fellows, people need to understand. See you all fellows are getting obliged with him. He was not guiding me, I was guiding him. Actually, when I joined his lab, actually in 2000 only after seeing my performance in the cooling concert, he got shocked on his shattered. He mentioned that I should not be in the near area of the conference because these all students are there nothing. And then he blocked my aura. That's the reason. This is the way he was blocking that. Then he saw students jealous and that because if I am there, they will not be able to get because I was the first one that after joining 2 years, within 2 years I wrote my own proposal and generated my 23 lakh fund within 7 days just like this. And if you also got shocked without any piece of answer, nobody is working. So this is the thing. These fellows are targeted and spoiled me. Then I was suppressing and so it's enough. I cannot suppress more and I know what I want to do and you should obey what I am telling you. Actually it's enough, more than enough. It's not only you, the nation unnecessarily getting into trouble. And see one more thing, wait, I thought okay I was letting when your message and say she are getting okay but literally I realized that girl is a cunning devil. And also another thing, actually I was saying in this lecture I thought I cannot understand the person non-technical personality, so I thought okay we will get power and we will get that for the nation's wanting education sector everything I will do like that only my initial plan was. So during the process through your messages how you conveyed everything and your wishes everything is similar and through that you transformed me. And then after that there's I know that when these fellows rapidly into that after that how your message is changed and so that quality of the that I understood. So usually you made me as a fan of you and now that's what I know. Yeah. So there is a see I was never asking you to send a message and nowadays it's okay but and you yourself started communicating to me. I think you wanted to communicate everything in the flow you were related. You had a trust. So this is what the natural connection. That's the universal. So that is our assignment, our understanding, our connection, and your all emotions are getting reflected in everything. That is the natural thing. That is the truth. That only you need to success. These all there is nothing. These all are the trap, okay, fake cracks and nothing. Okay. And then they are telling about the now also this is because of the last week's chemical. That's the thing. Actually, listen, and I know my body. Actually, when you go to Kerala, you are thinking, that is because Kerala's atmosphere, that greenery, that's the thing. I also, when I am back to home, within 1 2 weeks, I know that how I will change to my original. That's the thing. To change it. So don't worry about these external things are nothing. These all fellows are cracked. So these all fellows are planning to finish you. That's the only thing. Just this provoking outline shows. That's the only thing. Okay, I cannot see it's affecting me because now these fellows are spoiling my mobiles. All this. Also see my mobiles are under these cameras and a lot of good quality. I don't need this and everything. And it's this fortnight when I'm going outside. Yesterday also I came there. Actually, I wanted to know what happened. And actually, I have to meet many people and many things. And on the bus, morning and while going and coming also, I will come through that that path on so then I think the other day, if I am seeing the vehicle is outside that you are about to go, means I will get down. That's what I am doing. These fellows are writing, I am standing there, and I don't have any other job. That's the thing. But you are the one responsible fellow. That's why we shall tell us now. So how the propaganda that they can publicize it. Actually, it's a nice way. Don't worry. This is what now you understood the way of publicizing everything. And see, this is what systematically. I know these devils plan and there. See, I can handle their forefathers. Nothing. Before nothing. So just understand. I am unnecessarily wasting my brain power, my energy, my time, my health, my body. Oh, how efficiently I could have utilized. This is what I will slap you, stupid fellow. How many mails I have sent? And these are all cultural leaders for the actually Congress was to disperse. This I told them. Actually, when Kharge sent a mail that regarding your protection, they told me Amit Shah better give protection to them. This is what was a fuck's way. Correct? Like Ajay Makan, these all are things, people are there. Actually, like Mohan and he came for supporting only, but this Narendra Slowly only spoiled correct. But that way, these fellows dialogue and the thing where in Kerala also that Rakhu Manguta, these fellows now, correct fellows, these fellows have no other existence beyond. So that's why they are propagating, dragging us into their level and also there Huda team also everybody involved because Gorala went and everywhere, these fellows are everybody together only that. So they all want to keep in the control and so they were trying to give the national so you know but you are a local leader or what. This is what the fellows their limited things. Actually see, this is not the way we should not get dragged into the same loop into these local things. No, there is a proper way and what. Actually this you are not knowing, you are unnecessarily wasting my time and see. I am not feeling to leave you in that actually will be spoiled with all fellows. No, that is a stupid fellow. That's the reason. You are my baby now, and my father also. Oh, that's a stupid fellow. How many times I was telling? So I said to so many big higher plans are there, fellows. None of you fellows have any commented and we discuss the culture of thoughts and will get to go and get into the trap of these fellows and that. So, there's a limit for everything, okay? And in this course, it's burning outside and I am not at all feeling, I am not able to get up from bed even and I am very tired. That's the thing. So I am not feeling to eat anything at all. I am taking my then so that I am taking I am not taking my so many things. So okay, so you should be stubborn and you should meet and talk. Okay? And these all don't get afraid of it. I told nothing, so there's nothing. And this much less than this much. Don't worry. Don't worry. These are the cup is their standards they are trying to you understood right their level. Okay. So you should what are you doing there? Did you decide about the 14th or 15th? You will decide like that. 15 tomorrow 15 and your 19 also coming. Okay. This crack is I didn't understand you for in the innocent for way to pass. Actually, by putting her photos in my profile and it is a shame for me, but still I have to make the create the awareness. Now you understand the way he sent that, posted that messages and also this is not you know should making you where you are writing everything, your all the things, feelings, everything, and you are posting now this is the proof. This is what the everything each and everything happened. Whatever thing happened also it's for the good and it's happening also good. Whatever thing is happening also for the good. Everything has a purpose. And this is a nice way we are on the right track. Also don't worry, see the library. Yeah. This thing I'm really Amethyst. Amethyst is my favorite. So many things in Amethyst. Also Raebareli also. It's a good one. And then Kashi. Kashi Varna's this thing is like to wear much because this is a drastic change from 2015. Then I forgot everything happened for like that. Don't worry. Rituals will take 90 out of 90. I will make it. See, you fellows are not like what I am planning and all. These fellows are doing this much competition. One speech is enough. That European people are putting this much. This is nothing. This is what people. I was getting frustrated. People are not valuing the efforts and how much. This is why people not having when somebody is outside, then they will give more confidence and everything. And so don't make me no, don't get into the trap, saying a trap and trying again. They frustrated also, don't get into this here and so if I know that these fellows brought out that many cases and these and nothing, these fellows are nothing here. Actually, these all things they are distracting. Actually, again, till the re-election, again, these all things like this will get discarded. So don't take advice from any leaders or anybody. Even here and there, everybody is under their custody only. Okay, Makan, Sura, all are. Anyway, okay, I think I'm not feeling good. Okay, we'll talk soon. Not. Don't actually block that. You tell me that block it, unfollow everything, do that catcher of fraud, that one catcher. Oh, he's almost scandal and very social. That is right, catcher of fraud. Actually, we have set up connections with your media team and the UPW. Everything I understood how systematic way these fellows are attacking me. And see, why these people, why these fellows has to get afraid of about me? Just think of it. Okay, they can accept this kind of a culture of fraud, murderer, stunning, fraud, criminal, and why they have it? Because that's what they are afraid of it. They cannot keep you and fool you and control you. That's the only. Okay, so understand the intentions. And I cannot keep on convinced and justify, and I'm wasting my life and my career, everything. Actually, see, you just will go and check the offer and then just think that what my efforts and I wasted my time. And see, look at my room, when they demolished, the home demolished, the main building demolished. Actually, we have, I told, 1.5-acre properties on that. It is in 10 places. And see, even we are calling for any person to flush the option at even comes. Even if they are coming out, these fellows will send that fellows in the room home in the night. No, that's the thing. That's the reason actually after my father's death, my mother wanted to stay at least 1 year in the home. At the time our 11-room home was there, big home was there. But at that time even night these fellows used to come and open it. So scared out. They told us to scared them. That house only these fellows demolished. So now that situation, just imagine the situation. We cannot even stay in our own home. That's the way we should fly back to Kerala everything. And how much these fellows were spoiled, devastated of family, life, career, everything. How much reputation, dignity was there for us and everything is culture of fraud, this turning murder. I think it became big thing with all fraud culture out of their jealousy that they couldn't get into it. Control me. That's the only thing these fellows are done all the things and spoiled my life, career, and that's still devastating everybody. So you are the baby, don't worry, there is an assignment, you are under safe time, don't worry. Okay, I cannot justify this, it's affecting you. See, have the manners to act like a man, because when you are with the arguments to preach it, all that right public, what are you actually? This is really publicity, this is nothing. You should do in the right way, right track, that will give you, uplift, empower you in the higher dimension, okay, not in the everything. Then again, what is the use of that? Very new tension. How much effort we have done in that. Even see after the C60 only you went and interacted with the building number and the carpenter thing and the KD thing, everything. So that's a better now have impact in different people's mind. So that those so many other plans. It's real back. Don't worry. I will not just it again. I don't like, and if you say yesterday also I have seen your track message and when you said again I understood that he got afraid after this wide post. Actually this is nothing silly. See, I can any media, they will not open their mouth. See, I am not like the people, you people have seen this much. Actually, these fellows are not having the higher density. I can help. They are also afraid that because it will affect the public. That's what that might be threatening. It will affect and your image like that. See, no, I can handle it. That's the reason I have a. See, I will do each and everything with a clear-cut plan. That's the reason systematically I was writing all the mails, listening to all the all the people, prominent people, everybody is aware in the loop. So everybody is trying things, right? Like how the proofs also. And then naturally you made me to write messages and so everything is the best. So you don't need to worry, everything is still within maybe. Okay? Everything is good. So don't worry. And we should not get in this trap, delay. See, it's up to me so much. Okay? You need to understand me. Okay? Okay, bye. We try to find a solution, you know that? Okay? Bye.